I got my level. I'm gonna put on this sidewalk. It's only a 4-foot one. Let's see how level it is. And this I'm gonna pour back in this empty oil thing. Or if I think I got another container. I might just keep that one empty oil thing, because I might use it for in the future. And I got these other containers I can just pour that stuff in. But if I got enough room in here, I want to get this out of the way. I don't want to bump this. Alright, got a few oil spots you can see right here. And I had that oil pan all the way under there too. It's good to put some cardboard under your bike. And that's in an oil pan too, because oil seems to always get through there. So it doesn't look like my new... I'm an electrician apprentice now. So if this was totally flat, that would work great. But I'll check it out when I get up in here. So let's see. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna put at least 1 more ounce in, and then I'll check it real quick. I'll probably put 1 more ounce in, and then after I ride it tomorrow, I'll check it again, and I might put 1 more ounce in after that. I was gonna pull out those toolboxes, because I gotta bend down and look, and those might be in the way. So yeah, I think I'm gonna have to pull out my toolboxes. I mean, that's the only level. I was gonna check. I never checked if this was level. I don't think I ever changed my oil here. I always changed it when I go down south to the desert. Oh, come on, man. I had a lot of stuff I had to do today, and this is taking longer than I thought it was. Okay, so if I can get my level, with this 4-foot level, really great, because okay, there it is. It is here. See if I can get it out of here, though. I don't know. What the heck is this, man? If I can get it, I got too much stuff in here. Yeah, I got too much stuff, so I might. I have to go this way with it if I got enough room. Okay. This should be level. Every time they pour concrete, all kinds of stuff on the ground. So yeah, it looks pretty level. Level enough. So we're gonna check that out. As long as it's in between the lines, you're all right, but you know, you don't want it all the way at the bottom of the line. You want it in the middle or at the top of the line, but just at least a little under the top, just so you're not too Here comes another train, man. That must have been like 10 trains. Or maybe more since I've been filming these videos. Okay, so this would say it's level there. I'm pretty sure this is saying it's level there, but I can tell it's tilted. But this tank is like round, so it's hard to see. That's saying level. If I put this on and then it got moved, it's saying that's level. So this, I'm not gonna be able to use this, it's too magnetic. But if this was straight, that'd be better. So that's saying level, and I don't even know how. It looks like it's straight. I'm gonna have to move this stuff more. So it looks straight, but I can't tell when I bend down here because the bike moves a little bit, so I guess I'll get it straight like this. But when I bend down to look at this, I'll angle this GoPro a little more so you can maybe see what's going on here. So that's saying it's level, and you gotta hold this level. See, it's off level, but maybe if I get down, ooh, there's something right under my knee. If I get down here and get it level, okay, that's pretty level. And then I gotta get down here and look at this freaking thing, which I might not have enough room. Oh man. Okay, so that's level. I'm gonna need a flashlight. So actually, that's saying it's pretty full. I'm gonna have to get a light. Oh man. Oh man. Good thing nothing happened to this, but oh, this is just starting to make me mad now, people. And this is just, I hate when they do this stuff, man. They gotta set this up so it has to be so hard to look at this. That's what I do not understand, man. And this, I mean, this should be still good. Wonder what happened there, huh? This is a little magnetic, but not. Yeah, that's saying it's level. That's if, I don't even know if that's level, people. I don't got nobody to help me today. This is saying it's level right there, but it's not. Unless I just messed up my level. Okay. Because this tank's curved and it's too hard to tell. And that's moving there. So, man, this is just, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to use this level. Because saying that's level, right then I know. This is like level right here. Unless I just messed up the level. So I might not even be able to use this level. Because this tank's too curved. So I don't think I'm gonna be able to use these levels now. I'm just gonna have to eyeball it. Like I need more room than this. There goes my level. Oh, this just makes me mad. How am I supposed to? The only way I can do this now, since I don't got enough room in here. So I might be okay. So good thing I didn't put no more in there. So I think that's probably about straight right there, people. If I could just get up here and look. Nah, it looks like I was leaning a little bit. I need to get more room. I'm gonna have to get it over to the side more. So I just wish this had a dipstick, man. This just makes me so angry that they gotta do stuff like this in this world. It makes things so difficult. But yeah, you need 2 people to check this oil level out. So that looks straight there. I'll be able to. Ooh, I wonder if I'm dripping oil. So I'm gonna have to tighten that. I don't know if that's oil. Yeah, I think that's oil. I have to tighten that tighter. So yeah, it looks like I'm right there. I might want to let some out too. So you want to do it at the bottom of the bubble in between the lines. And it looks like I gotta tighten that. So yeah, it looks like, but it's lean a little bit. So it looks like I'm good. So it's good I left 2 ounces out. It's just that stuff was so unlevel out there, I couldn't tell. But if I get, next time I'm cruising around and I have a